What's going on, Theta Network? What's going on in the Theta Network? Very badly fails down in the crypto market, especially all very badly falls down. What's the target of Theta Network? They go up in upcoming days or they fails down. Everything and this video is going very special. But first of all, you can see here this time the crypto market very badly fails down. Every crypto coins very badly falls down. But today we talk about the Theta Network. What's my prediction? What's my opinion? And what's the new target of a Theta Network? Do they can hit it our target or not? Also, please tell us in a comment box at the end of this video. My friends, this time if you can see here in the last 7 days, you can see here result already open in the chart. You can see here on the screen. This time minus 11.86% in the last 7 days. They fails down, my friend. They change occur. But here, as you can see here, 15.34 US dollar they hit it. I already told you in my video, and if you check out my previous videos, I already told you they can hit it just in 1 week 15 US dollar, and I am right. You can see here they hit it. What's my prediction, my friends? Come to the point. This time if you can see here, I draw a 2 line. I use this formula in every crypto coins. Remember, my friend, if you can see here, they gone straightly, but after this they take a very high jump, my friend. And after this tech jump, they gone down, they falls down, my friend. And that you can see here, they take a very high jump, and they are totally moving very badly fall, my friend. If you can see here, and every crypto, this is this type circulation, my friends. To after a fails, to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a high jump, and after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they also take a high jump. So my friends, in upcoming days, I think a Theta Network is going very specially moving up, my friends. Theta is going very specially moving up. So please be honestly wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. They make you millionaire at the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire, my brother. So please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. And my prediction is that today go up. Exactly, they're starting going up, my friend. You can see here plus 2.12%. They're moving up in last 1 hour. What I told you, you can see here, but the flash is very badly decreased. But our target is 15 US dollar. Today again hit 15 US dollar at the upcoming month and upcoming days. Exactly, they can hit it at the end of this month. So thank you so much, Theta Network. Hope you understand something new. This information is important for you. So therefore, I make this urgent video. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates.